Yesterday we did the gummy black holiday house video, and we have a lot of these white and red gummy blocks left over, so we're gonna try to make some YouTube play button gummies. Let's get started. Okay, so I have some foil, and I'm just giving it a little pinch to make little separated rows. So when we pour the gummy, the melted gummy, it will be a little rectangle. There you go. Little squirt of oil so the gummy won't stick to the foil. Rub this all over. Mom. Yeah. While we're waiting for the gummies to dry, I made a little out of some index card and construction paper and paint and glitter. I made a little candy box to hold our YouTube play button gummies. Okay, time to test if it's okay to peel off this red gummy if it's hard enough. Let's see here. Oh no, it looks like it's stuck. Okay, I found a way to unstick this. I have to use some powdered sugar. It's a little hard. I should have put the powdered sugar first, so next time I know. So first is all the piece I got, and I guess since we'll be able to wipe it off later with a little vegetable oil. As I try to peel these strips off, it's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, everybody, we finally got a lot of the foil peeled off, and we cut out the white gummies.
I wetted it.
And we wet the back of the triangle with water, and now we're sprinkling some confection sugar on top so that the top of the button isn't sticky.
And people think you spit on it.
Yeah.
Or you could.
This one's falling off.
Or if these are just yours, you can just lick them on the bottom and stick them. If you just want.
This one fell off too. So you want to check to make sure the button doesn't fall off. Okay.
Just dip the whole thing in oil.
I don't want to put too much oil. Just enough to get to rub off the sugar. Okay, next you're gonna take your gift box. If you're gonna put one in there, put some paper in there so it looks fancy. And then you can start putting your little candies in there. For someone that likes to watch YouTube, some YouTube gummy play buttons. Thanks for watching. Bye.